Hi friends, welcome to the Unit 3 Day 4 notes. I want to show in this video, I actually recorded this video, I went through the problem and I made a mistake. And I want to just show the importance of making sure that when you do synthetic division that you do it the right way. If you have the old notes, you'll need to copy down this new problem, or you have the new notes and they're fixed and this doesn't have this problem anymore. But note that there is not a linear term. So when I was going through and doing this problem, I knew there was a red flag because I made the problem and I got to a point and I was like, there shouldn't be a remainder. So here's what I did, and here's my work, and I knew that there shouldn't be a remainder for one of these two. And the reason why it didn't work out correctly is because I did not include a 0 for the linear term. So in this situation, in this instance, I was totally off on both of these, and the reason why is because I didn't include a 0. So now, going back in, it's kind of weird. I'm talking about a problem that I've already talked about. So here, getting through the error. So now I have my leading coefficients, which are 1, -3, 3, -5, 0, and then 12. Here we go. So bring down the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. -2, -2. That's going to be 1. 1, -4, -4, -4, -4, and then 8. So that's a remainder. That doesn't work. Now let's try with -1. 1, -3, 3, -5, 0, and 12. Bring down the 1, -1, -4, +4, 7, -7, -12, -12 here. Sorry, +12 here. 0 plus 12 is 12. 12 times -1 is -12. There's the 0 remainder. And now I've taken it from a 5th degree polynomial down to a 4th degree polynomial. And I have one of my zeros at -1, so that means it factors into x plus 1 times something. All right. So now this is x to the 4th. I'm going to write it off to the side here. Minus 4x cubed plus 7x squared minus 12x plus 12. So looking like this does not look like it does factor by grouping. So it looks like I need to I'm going to have to continue working through this particular problem using synthetic division. Now I found one of them, x equals -1, so now I can continue on. I can check 2's and 3's, so now I'm going to check +2, bring down the 1, 2, -2, that's -4, 3 times 2 is 6, -6 is -12, that's 0. Ah, it turned out nice. That gives me another 0, -1 and 2, and then sorry about the jump, x minus 2. So now I have, this is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. Looking at this looks like I could possibly do a factor by grouping. Let's check that. So if I factor out an x squared, I'm left with x minus 2. If I factor out a 3, I'm left with x minus 2. Okay, this is good, looking good so far. So that means I can distribute out plus 3. So now I can factor out that x minus 2 from both of these, and then I'm left with x squared plus 3. So the fact that I got another x minus 2 tells me that I have another x minus 2 here, so that's x minus 2 squared, which means 2 is a 0 twice, tells me it's going to bounce. And then this x squared plus 3 actually also gives me imaginary zeros. And I know that because if I set x squared plus 3 equal to 0, and I'm going to get imaginary answers here with this part. So I'm going to have I square root of 3. So x equals plus or minus I square root of 3. So those are the other zeros as well. So this tells me I'm going to have imaginary zeros. This one tells me that, and then because I had the x minus 2 twice, tells me I'm going to have that 0 twice. So let's go ahead and put these on our graph. So this is going to be at -1. Oh, again, my y-intercept is at 0, 12, so that means I'm going to have to go by 2's again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 20. And then -1 here, and then 2, and then +12, and then it's going to go down and then up. So here, I know at this point it bounces. That helps. So I'm going to go down here, and then bounce, and then up. Again, this is a very rough shape of this graph. Thank you for joining me in this video. Sorry about the edits. I should have deleted my old videos sooner, saved them in case they didn't upload. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.